Hello friends, welcome again to an amazing time where we can begin to look at these in-depth secrets from the book of Proverbs. Today is day 26 from the Wisdom Insight series from the book of Proverbs. Now I will be bringing very amazing points that will also disrupt your thinking. Okay, and I really need you to pay attention and begin to get the learnings, because a lot of people have been so bound by their mind, by belief systems, by ideologies that are not really correct. Okay, now the first one is this. It said, horses cannot hurt you unless you deserve them. They are like birds that fly by and never light. Horses cannot hurt you. Okay, so you see people say, oh, my grandmother, somebody said that, the elder something of this, cousin, the grand person said this, and they begin to absorb pattern and say things that have been said and all. I said, horses cannot hurt you except you deserve them. Now, when you come out and maybe something happens and someone begins to say things like use the cursing word and all of that, okay, sometimes you only smile, you smile it away when you know you don't deserve them. When you ask yourself the question, do you deserve this? If the answer is yes, then you need to go and pray. But if the answer is no, carry on with your life and take that belief off you. So a lot of people have been so caged, they have been so put in bondage, and they are bound themselves by themselves because they do not understand the principle of life. And the King Solomon is saying, yeah, curses cannot hurt you. You come out to say it every day, curses cannot hurt me. Why? Because I'm a positive person, because I do not deserve them. You must understand the principle of life that will make these things work. Let me go very quickly to verse 18. It says, someone who treats someone else and then claims that he was only joking is like a crazy person playing with a deadly weapon. So you see people will say, oh, maybe they lied to you and they made you take an action from their statement and say, oh, sorry, they were only joking. He said they are like crazy. They are crazy. He said that it's like a crazy person playing with a deadly weapon. So it's not wrong. But playing with people, be direct with people. Don't come up with unnecessary jokes or unnecessary statements that just make people act wrongly or go the wrong way or do things unfairly, and at the end you say, oh, I was only playing. All right, you just say I was only playing. You need to make up your mind right now that you want to take real crucial decisions and you want to also change your life amazingly. So stop trying to say you're joking, you're doing all this. Be discreet, be direct, and then live your life plainly so that people can trust you when next you speak and not think that you are just joking every time you are saying things that are right. Till I come your way again, please remain exceptional. Make the rest of your life the best of your life. Like this video, stay subscribed, and drop a comment. Cheers.